Hello everybody! In today's video I'll show you how to create a beautiful wall decoration with a flower as the main element that stands out and with some secondary items which are not only individually appealing but that overall are made to highlight the main element. We start by creating the pieces for the central attraction of our project. It's a repetitive work, but if you are used to my techniques and you started trusting me, you will quickly understand that you cannot have outstanding results if you don't start with the small pieces that you can finally combine into a beautiful piece of work, and that all these pieces take time, as with everything good in life. The basic building blocks are eccentric teardrops made with the comb, and I decided to use multiple shades of light blue that would give a powerful statement, and also some black for a subtle shadow effect. While making the eccentric teardrop on the comb, make sure to add some glue occasionally to hold everything in place. After another 4 of these basic shapes, I started gluing them together to create the first petal. I decided to make another 5, so here they are. As a support for my project, I chose a round gypsum decorative element, and I started gluing my petals on it, dividing them into 2 layers and making sure they are centered. For a more natural feel, I added some paper beneath the petals from the first layer, so I can give them a 3D look. You can add anything that can hold them, but make sure that item is delicate and has similar colors. After my petals are glued, I started making some swirls to fill in the space in a nice and attractive manner. One of my next videos will be about how to make swirls, so I will explain everything in more detail in the near future. For now, just watch my hands because it is an easy job, but again you need to have patience to get a cute result. I wanted to add some special elements too, so I started making some diamond circle teardrops from the same colors as our swirls, orange and black, for a nice contrast. The final part is arranging everything together. When you get to the desired look and you feel satisfied with the results, this is when you need to finally glue them. What you see me gluing is the result of about half an hour of adding and changing elements and patterns until I came up with the one that I like the most. And because I felt something was missing, I added a shiny yellow Swarovski crystal in the middle of my flower. And that's it. Even if the video is not so long, I need to confess that it took a lot of time to complete this, because I changed the arrangement so many times that I can barely count. Also, I changed the original swirls that I first made, because even if in the beginning I imagined my creation will look in a certain way, when I put it in practice I was not satisfied with the design and overall feel, so I had to change some things. Not to mention that the petals took a lot of time to complete too. Anyway, even if it was a lot of work to do, I hope you like the result as much as I do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Also, let me know in a comment what other supports you could use to decorate and create designs on. Thanks for watching and take care!